Want to get the real benefits of turmeric? If you're adding a spoonful to your water every day, I've got news for you. You're doing it wrong. And trust me, I've seen this mistake firsthand. Before I got into nutrition, my mom was a victim of turmeric misuse. She believed more turmeric meant better health, but it ended up causing more harm than good. If you want to unlock turmeric's full potential, you need to know how to consume it the right way. And today, I'm breaking down the exact steps to make sure your body absorbs all the powerful goodness turmeric has to offer. Turmeric's superstar ingredient is curcumin. That's what gives it that bright yellow color. Research shows curcumin can boost liver function, reduce inflammation, support immunity, and even ease joint pain. Sound amazing, right? But here's the problem. Curcumin is incredibly hard for your body to absorb. So, if you're drinking turmeric water, you're basically wasting your time. Let's get into what no one tells you about using turmeric effectively. First, dosage matters. Turmeric is powerful, but too much of it can backfire. It's loaded with oxalates, which can cause bloating, gas, and even kidney stones. Stick to about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder per day, and avoid over-the-counter turmeric supplements. They're often too concentrated and can do more harm than good. Second, you need to pair turmeric with the right ingredients to boost absorption. Curcumin doesn't dissolve in water, which means most of it just passes through your body without being absorbed. But there are 2 simple ways to fix this. 1. Combine turmeric with a healthy fat. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so when you mix it with oil, ghee, or milk, your body absorbs it much more efficiently. 2. Add black pepper. The piperine in black pepper can increase curcumin absorption by a staggering 2,000%. Just a small pinch of pepper makes a huge difference. Next, let's talk about whole turmeric versus supplements. While curcumin supplements are everywhere, they're not regulated. You never know exactly how much you're getting. Plus, whole turmeric contains other beneficial compounds that work together with curcumin to maximize the health benefits. Stick to whole turmeric whenever possible. And here's a game changer: cooking turmeric. Heat makes curcumin more bioavailable and reduces the oxalates that can cause digestive issues. Cook turmeric in a healthy fat for 4 to 5 minutes, and you'll supercharge its benefits. So, how can you easily add turmeric to your daily routine? Here are 3 simple and effective ways. First, add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of turmeric to your soups, curries, or stir-fries. Cooking in oil or butter helps your body absorb more curcumin while enhancing its antioxidant power. Second, turmeric milk. This is a personal favorite. Warm up some milk, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and simmer it for a few minutes. The fat in the milk helps absorption, and it's a soothing drink to wind down your day. Bonus tip: add a little saffron for an extra health kick. Third, turmeric pickle. Use fresh turmeric root, chop it up, and mix it with mustard oil and spices. Let it sit in the sun for a couple of days, and you got a tasty, gut-friendly way to get your daily turmeric fix. So, stop wasting your turmeric. Use these hacks to unlock its full power. Let me know in the comments how you like to consume turmeric. And if this video was helpful, give a like and subscribe for more practical nutrition tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.